Welcome back. Today's question of the week is from one of our customers, and their question was, how long does a cast iron replacement typically take in a house? That needs to be, that means that their cast iron in their whole entire house needs to be replaced to PVC and update all their piping, right? So that sounds like a big project, a big headache. So one of the things that I see the most is that you want to hire a company that's going to do it quickly, because every day, that's a huge project. So every day that you're not in your house because you're not using your plumbing, you're not, so typically we're able to have you still live in the house and replace your piping through either rerouting or doing different connections in the house where you can still use your bathrooms, or at least leave you a bathroom for you to use during the project. The second part is typically these projects, just the plumbing part, once we actually commence, because we have to get the permits, which is like another week or so, or 2 weeks. Once we actually start the job, it takes us about 2 weeks to do all the plumbing, okay, meaning all the drains from cast iron to PVC. Once that's done, it's probably going to take you another 2 weeks to a month, depending on how much remodeling you have to do to put the concrete back, the tile, and redo your bathrooms. So a good rule of thumb is basically it's going to take you about 3 weeks to a month and a half to do these plumbing projects. But you have to think about it, it's a complete remodel of your house. You're changing all the piping in your house. The good news is with us, we do it very fast. You got to be careful with the companies that just have 1 to 2 people only, and they have a lot of projects going on. It's probably going to take you double the amount of time. So you have to factor that in when you're looking at different companies. Make sure that they have a good crew or crews in case that guy gets sick. And I've seen it through the years. That one guy, he gets sick or something happens to him, and then for 2 weeks there's no work being done at your house, which is horrible. So you definitely want to have somebody that's going to be there every day, a crew, to get this job done quickly. I hope that helped you out. And if you guys have any questions, if you like the video, please comment below and hit the like button. That really helps us out. Thank you so much for your support.